Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Fine, fine. Okay. Okay, so I think we had done all the questions this for the circle.
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to discuss parabola.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just give me a moment.
Yes.
Okay. So anything you know about parabola?
Sir, parabolas, I mean, we are asking in case of, in what way I answer, sir?
Okay. Okay, no issues. I'll tell you. So we can have parabola of four kinds. Okay. Totally it can be of four kind. One will be this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another will be this one. It is not necessary that it will always pass through the vertex. Sorry, origin. Okay. One may be of
Yes, sir.
this kind, another may be of this kind. So these are four kind of parabola. So in every parabola you can see axis is the symmetry. Axis of symmetry is axis only. In this case, x-axis, y-axis is the axis of symmetry. Here, x-axis is the axis of symmetry. Here, y-axis. Here again, x-axis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this parabola, first of all, we'll talk about y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. So this is basically a parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. So first of all, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. In IB board, we say it a quadratic equation. Okay. Here we are saying it parabola, but nowhere mentioned in IB board books that it is a parabola. It is just a quadratic equation. Okay. Because
Yes,
it is of 2 power of y or x it will have.
sir. Two.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is open towards positive x-axis, it will be y square is equal to 4x. If it is open,
Same way.
sorry,
Your voice is breaking.
my voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this one, this is towards negative x-axis. So this equation is y square equal to minus 4x. Got your point?
Yes, sir.
What is A?
Yes, sir.
A is its focus.
Okay, sir.
So this,
It will be either on the negative
yeah,
side or the positive
yeah,
side.
this distance will always be A from the origin, A from the vertex. This is said to be the vertex. This one is vertex of the parabola. Okay. So in this case, the focus will be minus A0 and this will be the vertex. Okay. This is your focus. Got it?
Okay, sir.
In this scenario, if that is the focus, so that will be 0a and equation of the parabola will be x square equal to 4ay. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
If it is 0 minus a, then its equation will be x square equal to negative 4ay. Got it? Okay. Just write down these four things.
Yes.
because basically first of all you have to understand how is the figure of parabola, whatever is given to you, you just understand how it is.
Yes.
Okay.
Oops. Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. So now we'll understand its basic structure. So this is focus of the parabola, I already told you. This will be the axis of parabola, this is the vertex, and that will be the directrix. Directrix is a straight line which is just opposite to the focus. Okay? It is
Yes, sir.
it is the same distance, it is having the same distance from vertex as the focus is having. Okay? So that means if this is a distance, so that will also be a distance from the vertex. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So that is called as directrix. Now standard form of parabola we have already learned about it. So this is your y square is equal to 4ax. Its vertex is 0, 0 and this will be its directrix. So that is the directrix. So what will be the equation of directrix? This is a straight line. It is passing through minus a0, isn't it? So what will be its equation? Its equation will be x equal to minus a. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in this scenario, your directrix will be x equal to plus a. Got it?
So, basically, when the equation is y square equals to 4ax,
Hmm.
then directrix is
See, you need,
x equals to minus a.
yeah, x equal to minus a will be the directrix. And you need not to mug it up. Okay? You just draw the parabola and just
Yes, sir.
find the directrix. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's fine. And if the scenario is x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to minus 4ay. So in that scenario, your directrix will be this one. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So that will be y equal to minus a and this will be y equal to a will be your directrix. Okay? Just learn the concept, don't try to mug it up that whatever is the directrix. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Got my point? Okay, now so these four equations are the standard equations of parabola. Okay? Now, what we learned about the parabola? Parabola is a symmetric with respect to the axis of parabola. Whatever is the axis, it is the symmetric geometry, isn't it? Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, if it is having a term of y square, then it's symmetrical about x-axis. Okay, and like y square is equal to 4x,
Okay, sir.
so it was having symmetry with x-axis. Okay, so these are the things we can conclude. Okay, now we'll talk about latus rectum. So this is the latus rectum. It is a perpendicular line on axis of parabola. Okay, that is passing through the focus. That is passing through the focus. Okay. So the coordinate of latus, as it is passing through the focus, so what will be its coordinate? Let AB is the latus rectum. Okay. So its coordinate is A to A, as it is passing through the focus. Okay. Your equation is y square is equal to 4ax. So if you put x as A, what value of y you are getting? So y square equal to 4a square, so y will be plus minus 2a, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that's why its coordinate are a to a, this one is a to a, and this one is minus a minus 2a. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will be length of this? It is 2a, that is 2a. So the length of the latus rectum will be 4a. Got my point?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anything that you have mugged it
So
up?
for parabola, it's 4a. Latus rectum.
Yeah, it's 4a, and the coordinate of latus rectum is a to a and a minus 2a. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
got it?
So wait, coordinates of the latus rectum is a to a and
A
minus
minus
a to a. Okay.
a minus 2a. Okay,
Yes, sir.
are you noting down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you finish it, just tell me.
Yes.
Our next class will be on Monday 3:30.
Yes. Oh, you're not in on Saturday, sir.
Yeah, if you want on Saturday, then we can also have on Saturday. Saturday evening.
I thought you're taking today as an extra class because Monday, Wednesday, Saturday.
Okay. But we earlier talked about that we can have Friday at 8. Instead of having on
Yes, sir.
Saturday, we can have Friday at 8.
Okay, okay, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, very nice. So this is an example of parabola. You need to find all the values, find the coordinate of the focus. Just try to do this question.
Yes, sir. Equals to 8x. So A is equals to 2. But electrics equals to x. X equal to in interval equal to just 8 focus equals to comma.
You're doing questions on tab?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you suggest that I don't do it. I mean, like, if
Oh, for practice it is good,
it's better that I don't do it, you tell me. I'll do it.
but it will increase your screen time.
No, I don't have a phone, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Phone, I don't even watch TV, so.
Okay.
Sir, focus is 2, 0, later shifter is 8, and directrix is x equals to minus 8.
Okay. Directrix is x equal to minus 2a.
Minus 2. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Latest rectum is 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now just try to do this one. Now find the equation. You need to find the equation of parabola with focus 2, 0. Focus is 2, 0 this time.
Focus is 2, 0. So, A equals to 2. Directrix is minus 2. B equals to minus 2. So, equation of the parabola is y square. So, y square equals to 4ax. So, y square equals to 8x.
Okay. Yeah. Now do this for this question. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex 0, 0, focus 0, 2.
Vertex with parabola. Vertex is focus and 0, 2. So, if A equals to 2.
It will be good if you draw that parabola. It will be good if you draw that
Yes, sir, yes,
parabola.
sir. I'm not able to do unless I would draw the parabola actually.
That's good habit.
Right. So, vertex is at 0, 0. Focus is at 0, 2. 0, 2. Correct. So, with this x square equals to 4ax. So, directrix is minus of a. So, y equals to minus 2 is directrix. Equation will be square equals to 8y. X square equals to 8y.
Yeah.
Equation.
Yes, yes. X square equal to 8y. Yeah, right. Okay. Do you think they are simple questions?
Example question, but
Yeah, exercise also you will find that it is very simple. And after 3 to 4 classes, your idea about conic section will definitely change. Okay, you were saying initially that conic section is that much difficult topic. It will not be difficult after 3 to 4 classes.
okay. Equation. Section of the y-axis. And passes the point it symmetric to the y-axis and passes the point on
First of all, take the standard equation of parabola and use these things, whatever is given to you.
Since they said symmetrical about the
Y-axis.
So, since they said symmetrical about the y-axis, that means the parabola equation will be in the y square equals to minus 4x or 4ax, right?
It is symmetrical about y-axis.
Yes, sir.
So that will be x square equal to 4ay or x square equal to minus 4ay. That is symmetrical about y-axis. So it should be either upward or downward.
Minus 4a. Minus 4a.
Either it is upward or it is downward. Okay.
So, what I'm saying is it should be downward because it passes through point 2, minus 3, right? Which is like, which coordinate was it? Fourth coordinate.
if it is passing through 2 minus 3,
Yes,
this parabola may be like this. Let us say this is your origin. So this parabola may be like this. Okay.
okay.
So
But this is
then also it will pass through 2 minus
symmetrical
3.
about
It is also symmetrical about y axis, isn't it?
yes,
Just
sir.
think it how it should be.
First of the parabola is symmetrical about y-axis, so its equation will be starting with x square only. We should
Yes.
decide between x equals to minus 4 and x equals to 4 again.
Hmm.
So, wait, what comma I say? X comma minus y. So, wait, x minus y. X
See,
minus y.
I think one line is missing from this question. It's vertex at the origin.
Yes, x. Yes, sir.
One line is missing in this. Its vertex is at origin.
Sir, what I'm saying is,
Vertex is at
sir,
origin.
you don't need. Okay, okay, sir. Sir, I'm saying since it's symmetrical about the y-axis, it'll be like this, right? To either right or left. Either to right or left, right?
No. If it is symmetrical about y-axis, so that equation will be x square equal to 4ay. Okay. If this one, then it will be x square equal to minus 4ay. So either either your equation will be x square equal to 4ay or x square equal to minus 4ay.
Sir, that's not symmetrical about y-axis, right?
No. It will be symmetrical about y-axis.
One second.
See, on left side of y-axis or right side of y-axis, you have the same type of shape. So that is symmetrical about y-axis.
Okay. Then this will be symmetrical. One second. So this will be symmetrical against x-axis.
Yeah, it is symmetrical about x-axis, yes.
Okay.
But in question they are talking about symmetrical about y-axis.
Okay.
So
Then
and its vertex is also origin, isn't it?
okay. So we have to take minus 4ay. Yeah.
It will be this one, because it is passing through 2 minus 3. So this sorry, yeah, you are right, because here we cannot take negative y will be positive in this case, so your parabola will be downward. Okay, because 2 minus 3 will be somewhere on this parabola, so your equation of parabola is like x square equal to minus 4ay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
So
now
basically now we have to take that coordinates and put it in the
yeah,
equation, find a, and then find the equation, right?
yes,
Square plus 2 minus 4a minus 3. So 4 equals to 4a 3. A equals to 1 by 3. So equation x squared equals to minus 4 by 3 by x squared equals to minus 4 by. So 3x squared equals to minus 4, right?
Yeah, that will be the right equation of parabola. Okay. Now with this your examples are completed. Now we'll do some questions, some difficult question. This 1 to 6, 1 to 6 you do the last part. Okay, and the rest of the 5 will be your homework. You do just sixth one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Oh. Wait, I should do only sixth one.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
or you do one thing, just do sixth and fifth, sixth and fifth, sixth and fifth, 5 and 6, do both.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. I square equals to 10x. Sir, axis of parabola is directrix only, right?
No, axis of parabola. Axis of parabola are not directrix.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Axis of parabola
Axis of
means,
parabola is which axis it falls on, right?
yeah,
Right.
at which the parabola is symmetrical. That is the axis of parabola.
So when it's the y square equations, it's symmetrical on x-axis, right?
Yes. So x-axis will be the axis of symmetry.
Okay.
And even try to draw this. Try to draw this. If you have its geometrical interpretation, then it will be good to understand.
Yes, sir. Sir, so focus is 5 by 2 comma 0. It's on x-axis. Directrix is x equals to minus 5 by 2. Latest rectum 10.
Yeah, very good. Now do sixth one. You are quite fast. That's nice.
Square equals. Thank you, sir. 4 into wait, minus 4, 4, 8. So a equals to minus 9 by 4. So it's on y-axis. Focus goes to minus 9 by 4, comma, oh, so no. 0, comma, minus 9 by 4. Directrix is y equals to 9 by 4 and r equals to 4 into 9 by 4. So, sir, latest rectum, sorry, no. Focus is 0, comma, minus 9 by 4. Directrix is y equals to 9 by 4. It's on y-axis and latest rectum is 9.
Yeah, right. That's good. Intelligent. Okay, in each of the exercise 7 to 12, find the equation of the parabola that satisfies the given conditions. Okay. From question 7 to 10, you need to find the equation of parabola. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just try to do.
Should I
Uh, okay, just try every question. It will take only 1 minute.
okay. Focus is 6,0, so it's on. Wait, 6,0, so it's on x-axis. It's on x-axis. So the equation should be a y square, and directrix is -6. So x equals to 4, 6. Y square equals to 24x.
Yeah, right.
This first
Great.
one.
Now go for eighth one.
Focus is -3, a equals to like -3. It's on y-axis. Directrix is given, so x squared equals to, since it's a -4, 3x squared equals to 12, -12x.
-12y.
Oh, sorry, x squared equals to -12y.
Yeah, right. That is right. Eighth one is right also. Now try ninth one.
Vertex 0, hit on x-axis. So a equals to 3, y square equals to 12x. So is it y square equals to 12x?
Yeah, right. Ninth one is also right.
This is 0, -2, 0, so a equals to 2, -2. It's on x-axis. So y square equals to -4 x. So y square equals to -8x.
Yes, right. Good. Now the next one, 11th.
11. Passing through 2, 3. This is along x-axis. So on x-axis. Okay. On x-axis. So when they say axis is along x-axis, that means the axis of symmetry is
No.
x-axis, right?
No.
No. It's where the parabola is.
See, its vertex is 0, 0 passing through 2, 3 and axis is along x-axis. So that definitely it will have x-axis as the axis. Okay?
Okay, sir. So basically 11 and 12, both the questions, it's along the same axis only. Because they get symmetric with respect to y-axis and axis is along x-axis, both mean the same thing, right?
Yes,
Means
yes.
they're on x-axis,
Yeah,
parabola.
Yeah.
Okay. So on x-axis, concentric 2,3, so 2 square on x-axis. So 3 square equals to 4a2. So 9 equals to 8a. A equals to 9 by 8. y square equals to 9 by 2x. So is it y square equals to 9 by 2x?
Yeah. But we'll write it 2y square equal to 9x.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Good. Good one now.
On x-axis, passing through 5, 2. So 2 square equals to 4a. So a equals to 1 by 5. Y square equals to 4a 1 by 5. y square equals to 4. Oh, no. Oops. Five y square equals to 4x.
You're talking about 12th one?
Yes, sir.
No. Just check it once more.
Very sir.
Just check it once more.
On x-axis. 5 and 2, 5 comma 2, so 2 square equals to 4ax. A equals to, and 4 cancel. A equals to 1 by 5. So is A equal to 1 by 5 in the question?
No, it is not 1 by 5.
Okay, that's what I messed up. So is it minus 1 by 5?
No.
It's not 1 by 5.
Which type of equation it should be?
Y square.
Why it will be y square? Because if it is
Because it's
symmetric to y axis, so that will be x square equal to 4ay or minus 4ay.
Okay. That's what I understood. Oops. So x square equals to 4ay. So 25 equals to 4a. So 25 by 8 equals to 8. Equals to 25 by 2 by 2x square equals to 25 by.
Yes, right. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's good. That means we have done parabola very nicely. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll talk about ellipse.
Okay, sir.
Have you heard that electron is moving in elliptical orbit
Yes, sir.
around the nucleus? And even our Earth is also moving in elliptical orbit around Sun. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So instead of one focus, this ellipse is having two focus. Okay. And its
Yes,
two fixed points are such that if we take any point on this ellipse, so that point, if we take any 2 points on this ellipse, that will be having the same sum of distances from these fixed points. That means, let us say this point is P1. There are 3 points, P1, P2, P3. Okay? And these are two focuses of this ellipse. So in this scenario, your P1F1 plus P1F2 will always be equal to, means P1F1 and P1F2 will always be equal to P2F1 plus P2F2, and that will also be equal to P3F1 plus P3F2. Got it?
okay, sir.
That means if you take any point on this ellipse, so, and if you sum this distance from this point to the focus is, so that will be same every time. Okay?
Okay.
So that is a one kind of shape it is. So the constant, which is the sum of the distances of a point on the ellipse from the two fixed point, is always greater than the distance between the two fixed point. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And this constant value, this P1F1 plus P2F2, the constant which is the sum of the distance of a point on the ellipse from the two fixed point, is always greater than the distance between two fixed points. And this distance is always greater than F1, F2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So these distances is always greater than F1, F2. Just write it down. So the midpoint of the line segment join the foci. These are actually called its foci. The plural of focus is foci. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
if we join this F1, F2, so the midpoint of the line segment joining the foci is called the center of the ellipse. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here we will see it. So if we join F1 and F2 and if we bisect it, so that point will be its center of the ellipse. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you can see here one axis is long, another one axis is small. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that long one is said to be major axis, this one, and the smaller one is said to be the minor axis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if this is A, this is B, so the equation of and the center of the ellipse is 0. So the equation of ellipse will be x square by a square plus y square by b square will be equal to 1, where a is greater than b. Okay.
Yes, sir. So major axis, minor axis, right?
Yeah, the greater one is major and the smaller one is minor axis.
Okay, sir. And are there any vertexes? Okay. Given me.
And
So vertexes, if they asked to find, you have to do plus or minus a comma 0.
yeah, so this one will be your a0, this will be minus a0. Okay, this will be 0b and this will be 0 minus b. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so these are said to be just end points of the major axis are said to be the vertices of the ellipse.
And if it's on y-axis, then everything check.
Yeah, that we'll discuss.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Equation will be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a will be greater than b.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So the length of major axis will be 2a, length of minor axis will be 2b. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and the distance between the two foci is 2c.
Okay, sir.
So that means focal points will be c0 and 0 minus c0 and c0. Okay, and if the length of major axis is 2a, then we say semi major or semi minor. Semi major means half of major axis. Half of major axis will be a only. Okay, so that is said to be semi major axis or semi minor axis. Okay. So relationship between semi major axis, semi minor axis and the distance of the focus from the center of the ellipse. Now this one.
So, sir,
Hmm.
root b square plus c square is a, right?
Why it should be a?
Because, wait, a square equals to b square plus c square is it for ellipse?
No, 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 no. We'll see it, no issues.
Okay. So a square equals to b square plus c square is right or not?
See, if this point is C0, so that distance is C, okay?
Yes, sir.
And let us say this distance is B, this distance is also C. So we have, we were having this property that F1P, take a point P at one end of the major axis, this one, okay? We have taken P point at the end of major axis. Sum of the distances of the point P to the foci is. Now, we have seen that if we take any point on the ellipse, so sum of this from the foci will be constant value, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, if we say we take F1P plus F2P, F1P plus F2P, so that will be equal to F1O plus OP, we can write it in this manner, okay? F1P, we can write it like F1O plus OP, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, this F1P, we are writing it in this manner, F1O plus OP, okay? And F2P is same. Now, F1O, we will take OP plus F2P, OP plus F2P, OP plus F2P, okay? What is F2P? OP is A, this OP is A, and what is F1O? Basically F1O is C plus A, F1O,
This 4 carat 2. Yes, sir. C again.
okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So by cancelling C, we'll get 2A. So now we are taking any point on the minor axis, end point on minor axis, it is B. In the similar fashion, we'll do the same thing. Now F1Q plus F2Q, F1Q plus F2Q, so that will be the same thing, because P point and Q point both are lying on ellipse. So sum of the distances from focus will be always same, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have seen that sum of the distance of foci from P is 2A. So sum of the distances from foci for Q will be the same. Okay. So what we did, F1Q plus Q F2. So F1Q plus Q F2. So that I can write, this is your hyperbola. So I can write it B square plus C square square root. Okay. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This one will also be same, B square plus C square square root. So sum of these two distances will be equal to 2A, isn't it? Equal to 2A. So now it is 2 B square plus C square square root equal to 2A, 2 cancelled. So that will be B square, if we take square on both sides, so that will be B square plus C square is equal to A square. So what will be the value of C? C will be A square minus B square square root plus minus, isn't it? Okay. So basically we wanted to find out the value of C so that we can find out the focus. Got it? So if we have C as a square minus b square, so this will be a square minus b square square root 0. This focus will be like this, and that focus will be negative a square minus b square square root and 0. Got my point?
Yes.
So focus will be a square minus b square square root 0 and minus a square b square 0. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just write it down. And please make notes. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Whatever topic we have finished, please make notes and send it to me
Yes.
on Urban Pro so that I can check how you're preparing you for your notes.
Okay, sir. Sir, online also I can send out to you.
Yeah, you can send on Urban Pro chat box. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Make a PDF and send it to me. Okay, now note it down.
Okay, sir.
The foci of foci
Yes,
of
sir.
ellipse. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have some special cases when C is 0, both foci merge together with the center of the ellipse, and that will be a square equal to b square. So in that case it will be a circle. Okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay, now,
So basically, when foci are at 0.
yeah, if it is at center, both are at center, then it becomes a circle. Okay? Now, the case 2 is when C equals to A. That means the major axis. Means your foci is at end points of the major axis. Then what will happen? Then B will be 0. In that scenario, your ellipse will become a straight line. Okay. Now we will talk about eccentricity. Eccentricity is C by A. What was C?
This is a foci.
Yeah, C was A square minus B.
So this is a foci.
No. C
Okay.
C was A square minus B square under root. We have found it just now. Okay. So just write down eccentricity. Eccentricity of an ellipse is the ratio of distances from the center of the ellipse to one of the foci and one of the vertices of the ellipse. Okay. So that means E will be C by
By
A.
the way, I came across a question before. Like, which of the like, is it more than or is it less than one the ratio?
Means you're talking about eccentricity?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the value of C?
C is less than A, that type of ellipse.
No. Eccentricity. You are talking about eccentricity. C is A square minus B square square root. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if a square minus b square square root is always lesser than a, isn't?
Yes, sir.
So that's why your eccentricity will be lesser than 1 in case of ellipse.
Okay.
Got my
Yes,
point?
sir.
Because a square minus b square square root
Sir,
will
I
all,
was trying to say,
it will always be lesser than
sir,
a.
lesser than or equal to, right?
But if you have equal to 1, yeah, it cannot be greater than 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I was trying to say, since in an ellipse, the foci lie before, like in front of the vertices, right?
Yes.
So anyway, A is larger than C. So since the denominator is greater, it's less than 1.
Yes, yes,
Or the
yes.
fraction.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay? It is always lesser than 1. Now these are two standard forms of ellipse. Okay? Axis, major axis may be lying on x-axis, major axis may be lying on y-axis. Okay? Now let us say, but your equation will have some changes. X square upon, see, below x square will always write minor square of, sorry, major square of axis. Here what is major axis? Y axis. Okay? So below x square, so it will depend what type of equation it is. In this scenario, your A is greater than B, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that means your axis, major axis will be lying on x-axis. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And in this scenario, your A is greater than B. Here also A is greater than B. But what is the change? We have written below x square, we have written B square.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So you will
So in that case, A is less than B.
see, you will understand it if something is written like x square by 25 plus y square by 49 equal to 1. Okay? So how can I write it? X square upon 5 square. Actually this is confusing. Okay? You will understand it by example. Y square by 7 square. So you can see here what will be the major axis in this case.
Okay, sir, I got it. So since major axis lies on sorry, on y-axis,
Yeah.
that's why you take the vertices also on A and A, because A2A is supposed to be major axis is length.
Yeah. So if you draw this, so that will be like this. Okay? So your major axis will be lying on y-axis. So that will be 0, 7 and 0, minus 7. Okay? That will be 5, 0 and 0, minus 5. So don't be confused about it. Okay? Whatever is the greater value written on which variable, so you will understand it is a major axis. Okay? Now we'll try some questions. Okay, now we'll talk about latus rectum. Okay. So here the coordinate of foci are, that will be basically it will be C0, okay, and what is C? E is C by A, isn't it? So what will be C? C will be AE.
Okay.
So we'll not write C, will, because as eccentricity will be given, so that will be AE0 and that will be minus AE0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So foci of the ellipse will be AE0 and minus AE0. Just write it down. And the same way, the perpendicular line which is passing through the axis of ellipse, sorry, which is perpendicular to the axis of ellipse and passing through the foci is said to be the latus rectum. Okay? Got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So we'll see next time. Latus rectum is 2b square by a. You just try to find it out. Otherwise, I'll do it in the next session. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So just write down homework. Homework will be your
Yes, sir.
all examples and the exercise. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll meet you Monday.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Good night.